Welcome back to my channel, Creativity Creates Care. If you're new to the channel, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Today I'm gonna show you a skincare routine that I do before cooking. So here I have a milk, take 2 tablespoons, and the olive oil and a honey. I heat it for the milk for 30 seconds to about 1 minute. And then here I have husul, hurud, and kasor or kasabar, something like that. And what I'm going to do is take about that much or this much. So basically here kusul, I don't know how to say in English, but hurud is usually turmeric, and I'm gonna add a grinded nutmeg. It's supposed to help you with the inflammation. Actually, I don't want to open it, so I just do it like that. And then you mix it. Turmeric is also good for helping your inflammation of the skin, is it? And also, what is it called? It's gonna help you smooth out and also make it yellow. So yeah, and it should be this pasty, and I'll apply it on my face. Okay, step. This is how I apply it. My face is already cleansed and washed. So if you want to get your hands wet, you can't. But I used to use a brush, but that brush, I don't know where it went. Just give it a little gentle rub. Like that. This is all natural ingredients. You can use this like as much as you want, like twice a month. Sometimes I do not put it on for a long time because I'm so busy with school. Yeah, just give a gentle rub like this. I was gonna put it all the way up to my neck. That's when I'm wearing my bati, but I don't want to mess up my abaya. And I also have another skin routine that I do for the whole body, and I will share with you soon. Let me know if you guys want me to share. Yeah, it's gonna make you look like a yellow. It's okay. Put a little bit on my lips. Now I look like a gooey person. You know, I always notice something. I never paid attention to my finger, especially my pinky. Every time I'm doing something, it does this. I don't know. I'm like a princess. A teacup, you know? Just joking. Well, again, I am a famous cartoon artist. It's a joke. I was getting at Princess Sophia, the little cartoon. And voila, it's done. You're gonna wait for about 30 minutes to an hour, or you can wait until you're done with all the chores in the house and then wash it off. Voila, there. Get all the places that you can get.